Sooky, what you got there? Cheese?
He said, I know there's cheese in there. How do I get to the cheese?
Buy cheese. Cheese!
No.
Cheese!
They did something with this thing
Good idea.
before.
It's got the idea. It's just, how do I do this?
Oh, when you were inside before,
Yeah.
they took the cover off and gave him cheese.
Okay.
Gave him some cheese.
Oh, rockman.
That's not cheese.
Looks like cheese. Oh, cheese.
Celery. Carrot. Anything.
Anyone want a coffee or a tea?
No, I'm fine. thank you.
Yes, please, but look.
Steve.
Yeah, I'm videoing it.
No.
I
Sooky.
want the cheese!
I can see the cheese.
It's white man magic.
I can smell the cheese.
What is this dark magic?
It's an old Jedi mind trick.
Sooky.
This is not the cheese I'm looking for. Okay?
This is not the cheese I'm looking for. Sooky.
These are not the crackers you...
Oh, she said take the lid off. Take the
Take
lid
the
off
lid
the
off, will
cheese.
you?
Lid off the cheese. Oh.
Poor pussycat.